Let me start by asking you this. Have you ever poured hours into creating a YouTube video only to see it get lost in the endless sea of content? Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to craft videos that not only grab your viewers' attention, but keep them hooked from start to finish? Today, we're diving deep into the art of scripting and structuring compelling YouTube videos. By the end of this episode, you'll have a comprehensive blueprint to transform casual viewers into loyal subscribers. So stick around, you won't want to miss this. Before we get into scripting and shooting, let's talk about the foundation of any successful video, the audience. Knowing who you're talking to is crucial. Imagine you're speaking directly to someone like Emily. Emily is 30 years old, a marketing manager at a mid-sized tech company. She's interested in digital marketing trends, productivity hacks, and personal development. Her challenges include limited time for professional development and staying updated with industry changes. She prefers short, actionable videos with clear takeaways. By understanding Emily's needs, interests, and challenges, you can tailor your content to provide real value. This not only keeps viewers like Emily engaged, but also builds a community around your channel. Next up, let's zero in on your niche. The internet is a vast place, and specificity is your friend here. For example, instead of covering general fitness, how about focusing on home workouts for busy professionals? Now, what makes you different? What's your unique value proposition? Consider this. We provide quick 15-minute workout routines that require no equipment, perfect for people with tight schedules. By carving out a specific niche and highlighting what sets you apart, you make it easier for your ideal audience to find and connect with you. All right, let's talk hooks. The first few seconds that make or break your video. Here are some strategies. Start with a bold statement. Everything you've been told about saving money is wrong. Pose a relatable problem. Struggling to stay productive while working from home? You're not alone. Use dramatic visuals. Imagine a time lapse of a cluttered desk transforming into an organized workspace. These techniques grab attention and make viewers think, I need to see where this is going. Now that you've captured attention, let's keep it. Script segmentation. Break your video into clear sections. Introduction, key points, conclusion. Visual storyboarding. Plan what your audience will see as well as hear. Introduction, close-up shot, energetic music. Main content, mix of talking headshots, on-screen text, and graphics. Conclusion, medium shot, clear call to action. A strong structure ensures a smooth flow and keeps your viewers engaged throughout. Let's make your script sound like a friendly conversation. Use simple language. Write as you speak using contractions and everyday terms. Ask questions. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by too many tasks on your to-do list? Include humor. A light joke or witty comment can go a long way. By making your script conversational, you connect with your audience on a personal level. Visuals are a powerful tool to enhance your message. High-quality graphics. Use clear and professional visuals to support your points. Animations. Simple animations can make complex ideas easier to understand. Consistency. Stick to a consistent color scheme and font style to build brand recognition. Don't forget about sound design. Background music. Choose tracks that match the tone of your content without overpowering your voice. Sound effects. Subtle effects can emphasize key points or transitions. Engage your audience by encouraging participation. Ask for interaction. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite productivity hack. Utilize YouTube features. Incorporate cards and end screens to guide viewers to more of your content. Tease upcoming content. Coming up next, I'll share a game-changing tool that you don't want to miss. By optimizing for engagement, you encourage viewers to become active participants in your community. Now it's time to refine your content. Cut redundancies, be brutal in editing out anything that doesn't add value. Ensure steady pacing, keep the momentum going with tight edits. Polish your video, apply color correction, add graphics, and ensure audio quality is top-notch. Remember, a well-edited video keeps viewers engaged and reflects professionalism. Your on-camera presence makes a big difference. Eye contact, look directly into the lens to connect with your audience. Expressiveness, use gestures and facial expressions to convey enthusiasm. Vocal delivery, speak clearly, vary your tone, and use pauses for emphasis. Practicing your delivery enhances your credibility and keeps viewers engaged. And that's a wrap. By understanding your audience, crafting a compelling hook, and delivering value in a conversational and engaging way, you're well on your way to creating standout YouTube content. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below about which tip you're excited to try out first. Check out the videos and tutorials playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.